Governor Idimong Plaza has instructed me to assist and to help as much as possible for the early release of the 3 abducted people, which I have done since last night, and you heard right kanina about our talk with the higher authority of the NPA.
Ma'am, ano na po ang latest progress po sa negotiation na ginawa mo, ma'am?
Actually, it is only a partial negotiation made kasi I was not appointed as an official negotiator since the time of the abduction up to 12 o'clock kanina. It's only here. So, ayun, narinig nyo yung sabi ng na the abducted people will be released anytime, tomorrow or the next day, for as long as yung request nila na i-atras muna yung military and PNP dual operation sa area.
Ma'am, sino po yung mga nakausap mo, ma'am, sa yung mga abductors?
So far, it's a secret thing muna, please. I don't like to the identity of these people, but they assured Governor Idibong that the abducted people will be released very, very soon.
As soon as
very, very soon, as soon as our PNP and our AFP will withdraw muna the operation in the area. Temporarily withdraw. Hindi naman kami nagsabi na i-withdraw.
Ma'am, may hiningi po ba mga ransom yung mga abductors?
Sir, as far as I know, wala silang ransom na hinihingi ni isang sentavo. As a matter of fact, I talked with the family before 12 noon kanina, right in the house, and I asked them honestly and officially per instruction of the governor. Sabi naman nila not a centavo was asked from them.
Ma'am, bakit kaya po inabduct yung mga biktima? Ano po kayong rason nila?
Ang rason? For me, siguro, these people, actually, dinala nila, not because kalaban nila tong mga taong to, no. Hindi ganyan po ang kasamahan natin doon sa bundok. Dinala siguro nila para magiging shield. Sa pagtakas. Not for any other reason. So, thank you.
Ang bahali, thank you. Pwede